There are a couple different ways to do inside corner. What we see behind me here is the inside corner block with a cut panel up against the block. So this one you want to make sure that you've got good straight cuts. If you're using your miter saw or your siding box cutting saw, you should be able to get nice clean cuts, as we do here. Now this one's got flashing that goes behind the panel to keep water away from the wall. So we've got a little hunt in my hand here to replicate what we've got here. So you mount this down first, and then take your panel and put it up against the inside corner block and mount it down. What I like to do is when I sink the screw or the nail here in these holes, I'll try to go to the left side of this hole so this panel, when it expands and contracts, doesn't walk away from the inside corner block. So what that does is when you've got that nail right here, when it expands and contracts, I'll make sure that this one is up against the edge, still loose, not over tight, but then all the rest of them I'll make sure it's in the center of the hole. So that way when it does the expansion and contraction, it'll move away from the wall and it won't walk from your inside corner block.